Hello, vlog. It is exactly. Oh. I don't know the time conversion rate till my birthday's supposed to end, but today is July 3rd, 11:46. My birthday. And then tomorrow's 4th of July. And we have a guest. What's your name, age, and where are you from?
My name? No, you're supposed to say like name, age, and occupation.
You have no job, you have no occupation. Name, age, and where are you from?
My name is makaylee. I'm 17, and I'm from
And that's on period.
like just was acting fucking like what?
So where are you right now?
I'm in bed.
But at whose house?
My house.
Oh. Incorrect. Where are you?
I am in the original Peter's house right now.
In Albany. And are you excited to have white people 4th of July tomorrow?
I am so excited.
I will catch back with you guys tomorrow when we go to Lake George. Say bye.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
Hello, police, right there.
Rise and shine.
Hello. It is 9 o'clock. We are going to get coffee. I'm not getting coffee. I'm getting a smoothie. And then we are going to Lake George. They have to stop inside because makaylee's difficult and she's so
She's
fat
a mammoth.
and so
I'm not
hungry,
difficult.
and she likes to eat so much, so she needs breakfast.
So nasty.
And that's what happened.
So rude.
She needs breakfast.
I need to eat.
So we're going to 7 Brew. I'll see you guys there. Hey vlog, so we've arrived. Yeah. But it was all, it's black. We've arrived. You can't see nothing.
It was Michael
That's the conspiracy of the day. No, because that's the guy's name, Michael Kittredge. It's like a, not like a folktale, but somebody we made up.
So there's another cabin we stay at down the road.
It's like down the road. What?
Did you bring a tripod?
Tripod? Yeah.
In the room, there's a old photograph.
So yeah, we're here.
We're over there.
Pictured, and he killed everybody. so it's like a...
Be able to see fireworks too and not have to like I just
Hello?
don't want to ruin my night by trying to find parking and deal with crowds.
So watch on TV.
Here's the view.
Can you push me?
Oh,
My apologies, Miss Girl.
Miss who?
I'm
She's
sorry.
not a girl. It's Miss Solar.
yeah, girl.
Going down.
Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, you'll see some more. Hi to my vlog. Want to say hi? Say hi.
It's your father down there.
No? Hey. Hi.
You still can't take it off the
So, how you liking Lake George?
Which camera am I looking at?
I don't care.
I care. Which one?
DGAF. I don't give a fuck.
I don't
That
know.
one? This one? Is it this one? Is it this one?
I don't know any of
Is it
them.
this one?
Okay, look at that one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
What you said?
How are you liking it?
I really like it. I'm getting crispy. Can you tell?
No.
You have to go to the
That should be illegal.
What are you looking at?
Our difference in skin tones.
Cool.
When did I become such a blackie?
Yeah, I'm a little pale.
So what would you rate it, your experience?
Here or like Albany?
In total. My hospitality, how is it?
It's great. I really like it here. I like jumping off.
Okay. Insert clip.
Clip here. Yeah, it's really fun. I'm getting crispy.
Are you feeling patriotic? 4th of July.
No, not really. Am I supposed to?
Yeah, you're white today.
That might actually be a bee.
I don't think so. Well, yes. Oh, I don't want to be white though. That's like a problem.
You don't have a problem. You don't have a choice though.
I don't have a problem.
Oh yeah. Sure. Center of attention.
No, I figured, you know,
Mr. Center of Attention.
So how would you rate Lake George? You know, you have, and how would you rate having a 17-year-old?
oh, it's so much better.
Really?
Because for
Is this the best age that I've been, or what was the best age?
No, this is every year. No, I will say every year it gets better.
What about when I was a zygote and I wasn't bothering you?
When you were little here, you were very needy,
Right.
right? I always had to play with you. I always had to do this. But
What'd you say?
yeah, no, I had to do that. But I'm saying with him for all those years,
Terrible angle.
it was a lot of.
I'm sorry.
A lot of playing and keeping you
Never
occupied.
get
Now,
women
you just
from
chill.
down below.
So how would you rate this year of Lake George?
Right now we're at a 7.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What decreased the 3 points?
You don't start off.
The mic isn't picking you up.
That is not correct.
Why do you start at 5 though? I thought you started at 10 and you
No,
decreased.
you don't go down. You go up.
Who made that logic?
The kids, but
Oh.
you good?
Yeah,
You
bye.
want to watch me run?
Sure. Hi, how are you?
Hey, it's me, Jerry Starr.
We have a tripod now.
Can you get my bottle?
Can you get my butter?
No, bottle.
Bottle.
So,
If you had butter, I don't know.
period.
That's where we went glamping. Way far back. I didn't even
My
know you guys
favorite
liked
there
that
was
shit.
when we went on the tubes and we had the tubes and you took banks.
Like, what is this bottle?
Oh, I look crazy.
Well, yes.
Okay.
Bitch, I look fucking crazy.
Ew!
Hello.
Mellow.
So we're walking around. We've gone in the water about twice now. Yeah. Trying to get my hair out of my face and I look crazy. This is a view.
Real quick, guys.
Do you even know that I'm alive?
Do you even know I'm alive?
This is the house that you used to stay at all the time. And I'm gonna take her to see the rich people houses on the corner. Things like this. And me and my cousins, we would all run. And I would tan right here.
Holy apricot.
Holy yeah.
Who the fuck lives in that house?
Rich people, these are people who live here. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go look at the tennis courts. We're gonna be challengers. I'm gonna be Zendaya.
Oh, challengers?
Yeah. I'm Zendaya. Yeah, I'm Zendaya.
Don't mention that about Maddie. She'll fucking freak out.
I hate that movie though. And Maddie, if you're watching this, I hate that fucking movie.
Was it bad?
It was boring. Like, I only liked the part when they made out. I got a pool.
No, I got a pool.
I do. Hi, my sister.
Then my head hit the wall.
Oh! You fell!
Who?
You have to poop?
Shoot.
She needs to poop. Yeah. I'm kind of thirsty.
Baby, run.
What's in the house?
Hey, say hi to the vlog.
Get the hell out.
Hello.
Do you even know that I'm alive? Hello.
This is the most disgusting yogurt I've ever fucking seen.
Hello?
Look
Why
at
is
it.
it's not focusing? Stop it. Oh, it's squirting. Oh my god.
Squirting contest! Let's see who can squirt the farthest.
Ew, makaylee.
I'm gonna fucking throw up.
I have to pool.
Well, at least pooping. Where's the garbage?
Oh my god, it's coming out.
It's coming out!
It's coming out!
It's coming down!
Oh my fucking god. This yogurt.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Do you wanna be? Do you wanna love me like that?
This expired last month.
And I
This expires June 21st, 2025.
That's horrible, actually. That's the work of the devil. I have to pool.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help.
If you guys didn't know, I'm a master fisher.
I'm a master.
I'm a master shark too. But I caught 2 fish. Insert picture here.
You got it. Fish on. Fish on.
Oh.
Fish on. That's what you gotta yell.
Ooh, I got a fish! I got a fish!
Mamá huevo. Digo, glup, 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 glup.
Say cheese.
Alright, now you gotta kiss it.
Now you have to kiss it.
I'm not kissing no damn fish.
You gotta kiss it.
I'm not kissing no fish.
You gotta take it off?
Why is he spinning?
Were you taking it off for before?
No, I made Simon do it.
Is it like you just like put them down or something?
No,
So teach the viewers out here who don't know.
I don't want to do it. You do it.
nice, hold like this. And then because these are sharp, you go like this.
Push down their spine.
So that when they open that up, it doesn't cut you.
I can do it.
Like this. That's it. And you gotta kiss
What's
it.
his name?
I'm not
What's
kissing
his
him.
name?
He kind of looks.
Come on, man.
He's cute. You're really. Oh, look at him. He's real shiny over here.
Alright, you're going in.
I'm supposed to name him.
Well, okay, well,
When you name him, he comes
name
real.
it. I'll
I don't
insert it in post.
know.
I'll insert it in post.
I don't know. I kind of like.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Herbert.
You're about to hook me, babe.
Oh, sorry. I kind of like Herbert. That's really cute for him.
Yeah.
What is
I
it?
see you, buddy.
song?
I see you.
His favorite song.
Your theme song?
Is it K-pop? It better be K-pop.
This night I want. 내가.
Oh, it's the Beatles.
Not quite.
She always wants to hear this song.
Oh, okay.
Let's just say the devil made me do it.
We left. Now we are gonna go see if we can find some fireworks.
Cool, you're
I really pray.
You can't visit.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
Hi, guys.
No one can hear you scream.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, the end of 4th of July for the most part. We're walking on the trail back. This is where the killer hangs.
I believe in a lot of things, including the killer. You never know who you can meet online. The killer. He's the killer. He's the killer.
And yeah, I hope you enjoy the footage of the fireworks. And
Never mind.
happy motherfucking 4th of July, America.
Guys, we're lost. I went the wrong way.
You're an idiot that I told you fucking phone.
I'm not. I'm telling you, I was right. Oh my crops. Yeah. I went the wrong way. Currently looking back and forth. I feel like we're getting close. No, but like I feel it in my bones. How many fireworks shows are there?
Where the fuck are we? Because now I have no service. And my phone's on 2%. This is looking my worst singer, actually.
You bitches don't pay the type of bills I pay. Bitch, we different. Bitch, we is not the fucking same. Bitch, never been.
Hey guys. Your fucking YouTuber is in the baby T.
Go and bounce that ass, yeah, for this cash, yeah. Can you make it clap, yeah, for a stack, yeah. I wanna see you twerk, yeah, put in work, yeah.
Happy birthday. Now say sorry to all your friends.